Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentary on Wednesday, September the 28th. Well, let's take a look at what's going on today. For other media appearances, I was on WHO The Big Show during their noontime yesterday, RFD TV yesterday morning. I'll be on the Commodity Wrap program this afternoon about 1:20. That's a Sirius channel. Our Sirius XM radio channel 147. That'll be on about 1:20 and then replayed again at 6 o'clock tonight and I believe at 10 o'clock later tonight. So you can check those appearances out. I was also on Red River Farm Network on Monday talking about yields and price prospects. Now overnight we're seeing lower prices here in the grains as we see corn down 1 to 2 cents, beans off 5 to 6, and the wheat is fractionally lower as well. Palm oil futures were down sharply, pulling bean oil prospects down, and that weighed on soybean prices. Really no fundamental reason to try and rally here, or sustain a rally I should say, but there was rumors that China has bought 10 to 12 cargoes of U.S. soybeans before they begin a holiday on Monday, and they've used some price weakness like yesterday to step in and aggressively buy. Now, yesterday's rally started off as commercial end user buying. We fall into new lows, demand picks up, end users step in. And right now we don't have a lot of soybeans or corn that's newly harvested making it to the pipelines. A lot of what's being harvested is either being delivered to fulfill forward contract sales or being put on on-farm storage. And the bulk of the harvest pressure will occur a little bit later, in my opinion. But prices a little bit lower overnight, so we see this weakness here, and probably going to see more weakness during the day unless we see that end user buying step in again. But I don't think that's going to happen unless we get to new lows again. But we had a lot of soybean positions on for speculators. We recommended to take part of them off at 9:42 yesterday, and that's why we did, because the market's rallied. We still have these short positions with stops above the market and trying to re-establish those shorts that were taken off at really good prices yesterday. In the livestock trade, cattle futures limit down yesterday, and a very little cash trade developing at this time. It looks like we're going to see probably follow-through selling on the opening in the cattle and the hogs. We're going to be expanding limits in the cattle. The cold storage report was a little bearish. Cattle and feed was bearish. And we have quarterly stocks report as well as quarterly hog